Paired our solar panels with Solar Power Nation about 18 months ago, and it's made a huge difference to how we power our home. And now we're taking the next step and adding a solar battery so we can use our power at night as well. They're installing a 52 kilowatt hour Solplanet battery and inverter system, which gives us real control over how and when we use our energy. And it also means if there's a blackout, we can keep things running, which is such a good feeling. You don't really realise how much electricity you use until you see it across everyday things, from washing and cooking to running the dishwasher and keeping the house moving. With the battery, we can run the air conditioning or heating at night without worrying about a big power bill. It's about having power when you need it, day or night. With kids, pets, and a busy household, the power is always on. And of course, there's always something charging in our house. Even keeping up with Max takes power, and there's a lot of hair. We're really looking forward to enjoying all the comforts power gives you, and just getting on with life, no matter the time of day or night. If you're looking at solar panels or thinking about adding a battery, I definitely recommend speaking with the experienced team at Solar Power Nation. They're the champion's choice for everything solar. Head to solarpowernation.com.au.
Solar Power Nation, the champion's choice for everything solar.